this is Anirban. Welcome to my Geeky Anirban channel, and today I will show you some different videos, and definitely today I will not show you some mobile related videos, any tech related videos or any gadget related videos. So this is totally a different videos from me. So if you want to watch, please watch till end. So let's see. Oh, hello. So friends, today I will show you about my home tutorial video which I have made in the year 2015. So if you want to see, watch until end, or otherwise you will miss this. So let's see. So friends, this is the entrance of my room here, and this is our guest room, means you can tell the sitting room also. Where I am walking or where I am standing here, this is totally a roof just 2 years ago. In the year 2015, when I got a job here, I made this all 3 rooms and 2 bathrooms over there. I will show you definitely. So this is a curtain I bought from Spencer's, and this is a light which I will show you now. I have purchased this from Edge Street, Dharmadala. This is totally a unique type of light here. And this is also a same light which I purchased this from Edge Street. And the sofa, and this is here the sofa combat. This is not purchased by me, this is my grandmother's. So due to the lack of room, she has kept it here. After that, when I will purchase up any other sofas or any other dining tables, I will definitely show you that. So this is all about here now. See the passage of my 3 rooms, between the 3 rooms. And these tiles, these are wooden tiles called, and the floor tiles is also wooden art tiles, which I purchased this from Kajaria. Okay, this is one lantern over here. See the lion type lantern. This is also a unique type lantern. See this. And everything I purchased is from Edge Street. I am walking here. This is totally a roof, friends. So I will enter my bedroom, where I will. So this is my bedroom over here. So friends, I am walking to my bedroom, and this is the bedroom of my, and in future I will be there soon. So this is my all the bedrooms over here, and this wallpaper has been designed by me only. I have those who paint here, I have tell them all the descriptions that this is how to give over here. And this is a lantern I purchased from Edge Street also, and this lantern also I purchased this from Edge Street. Is cost around 12,500, and this one is cost around 3,200. This is a wooden lantern which I purchased. And this is my bed where I used to sleep over here. And this is my cupboard. This is my cupboard. I have made this cupboard, means not I have made, I'm sorry, the carpenter has made according to my design. So this is totally made in my house only. This is not a purchase from the shop. I have designed all these things to the and given to the carpenter, and this costs all this cost around 1,10,000, the total wardrobe. So in this wardrobe the huge capacity is there. This is a locker itself. I have designed the locker. This is a locker. And this is my Sony Hi-Fi home theater. This I have purchased from Great Eastern in Barashat, and this cost around 25,800. So friends, I am going to my another room over here. This is my another room. This is also designed by me, and this is the room, and this design is totally given by me only. And this is also a glass light which costs around 1,500 over here. So this is not so much big room, this is a small room, but still. And in this room, I think that I will make some tech related videos in future where I should keep the computer and many other gadgets over here. So this is will be my office, just small town office will be there. So this is the room itself. So this is all about. So this is also the another bedroom, but not completed yet also. So I am planning to complete within a year. So let's see what type of things I can make from here. And this is a view from here. And I am also planning to make another room over here itself. So there can be 2 bedrooms, 1 dining room over here, and I can attach this from this bathroom also. Means I will show you that later. So let's see, hope for the best, and please pray for me that in future I can give more such videos like that. So friends, I am showing you my bathroom. So this is my new bathroom. You can tell the washroom also. Hi YouTube. So bun. Friends, today is very hot. Really, it's a very hot today. This is where I am sitting. This total house, this is my grandfather's house, means my mom's dad. And I am here in Barashat. I have given you the in my first introduction that I live in Behara. So why I am in Barashat? Because this is my grandfather's house, and day before yesterday I came here. I have some work also, so for that particular reason I have came here. And my grandfather has passed away in the year 1997. From that time, this is a 2-story building. Okay, here where I am sitting, this is totally a roof. 2 years ago, this is totally a roof. So I think that, so why should not I make some other rooms over here so that I can see my grandmother and her daughter, because her daughter is not so much well as now. She's a nerve problem, so I definitely have to see her family also. So for this particular reason, I am here now. So so all the rooms which I have showed now, these things are done by me only in the year 2015. When I got a job after 6 to 7 months, I have planned to make such all rooms because I can see my grandmother. For really, friends, I want to see my grandmother because she is staying over here just 20 years as a single. My grandfather has died in the year 1997. So this only I am here. And I have shown you all the rooms. These are totally made by me, and many other things which I have to purchase also. So within that I have to purchase a TV over here. So I have to make some 55-inch TV 4K Sony TV I will purchase within a year, and come over here, and here I will put over the AC over here. I am planning to buy one AC over here, and next AC I am planning to put over here also. Sorry, I am planning to put over here. Okay. So this is all the things, and I work very hard when I want to purchase when I made this room, because I live in Behara and that time I was in Barashat. So from here I want to get daily passenger in the Begbagan, because in the Begbagan there is my office. So a very hectic schedule over there. So pray for me, friends. I can do many things for my family, for me also, and for other people also. Please pray for me. Thank you very much, and I will show some other parts in my next video of this house. So stay tuned for that. Stay blessed, be happy, and make others happy also. Till now, bye bye. Bye bye.